Welcome to a behind-the-scenes look at the 2019 33-foot front bedroom Airstream Classic. Let's walk through the kitchen and dinette and look at where you'll cook some delicious meals in this trailer. When you first step into the coach, you'll notice a control panel here. That's to control your awning and lights. You'll also notice some key hooks. I lose my keys a lot, so it's really great to have a place for those to go. Stepping into the kitchen and dinette area, you have a really large fridge. It's almost as big as the one at home. I love being able to pack some frozen goods with me when I'm on the road. You have some storage above, also some pantry storage here. Moving into the kitchen, we have a 3-burner stovetop, stainless steel, as well as an oven. And above the stove, you have a light and fan to help remove some of that moisture when you're boiling a pot of water for your pasta. Also on the 3-burner stove, you have a glass top cover. This is great because you can put that down and it'll create some extra space for meal prepping. Moving over to the sink, you'll see that we have the Corian counter covers. That's great for extra meal prepping space. You also have to notice how deep the sink is. It also has a retractable sink head. It has all the amenities that you would find at home. Behind the sink also to note is this beautiful aluminum backsplash. It's just an added design aesthetic that I think is really pleasing. Down here we have our convection microwave. Really nice to have both a convection microwave and your full-on oven. Below the sink and the oven and microwave, we have plenty of storage. Great space to put your recycling and your garbage can. Moving over to the dinette area, you'll notice that the Corian countertops transfer over. You can also raise and lower this table to convert it into a bed. You can sleep maybe 2 children or 1 adult. And these are an ultra leather seat cushions. They're incredibly comfortable and super soft. And you'll notice a large window that allows for a great view while you're sitting here drinking your wine and eating your food and having fun. And that's been a behind the scenes look at the kitchen and dinette area of the 33 Classic.
Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more videos, leave us a comment. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it. And if you'd like to stay in touch with us, subscribe to our channel. Thank you again for watching, and if you'd like to find a dealer near you, visit airstreamnw.com. Until our next adventure.